What you can learn from a simple line of lettering if you understand the tools. The View toolbar. The first four icons manage what we see: True View, Stitch View, Line View, and Stitch Penetration Points. True View gives us an idea of what the design might look like when stitched, but we lose the advantage of a lot of visual information. For example, in Stitch View I can see the underlay and pull compensation at a glance. Perhaps there's too much underlay and I can adjust this in the Underlay tab or the Pull Comp in the Pull Compensation tab if needed. The keyboard shortcuts for these are T for True View, S for Stitch View, L for Line View, and the full stop or period for Stitch Penetration Points. The next two icons show connectors and machine functions. In True View, the stitch connector lines show, but not the machine functions. I can see in this example the solid connector lines and no indication of trims or tie-offs. Stitch View gives me a better understanding of the machine functions. Going to the Connectors tab, I can see the inside connector's trim setting is off. Turning it on will immediately show the triangles indicating a trim and the small circles indicating tie-ins, and of course the dotted connector line showing the pantograph path to the next object without any needle penetrations. For more information on connectors and the travel toolbar, visit the articles pertaining to each. I've included links at the bottom of this article. The line view shows only the vector line or outline of the objects and is useful when you want to match the objects with the artwork, without the confusion of the stitches showing. Stitch penetrations make it easy to identify a particular stitch if you're stitch editing or perhaps splitting an object. My recommendation is to digitize in Stitch View, have your color object list and object properties list open, and treat your EMB files like gold.